Annoying but not uncommon. A lot of vintage sewing machines have old sticky or masking tape. This lovely singer is victim of bad judgment too. In this video I will show you one method to remove the old glue residue. I bought this Singer 191 without having seen the complete machine, but then again, it was only 15 euros. The two lines of old tapes are there for many years, and I want it gone. Often the tape separates in the top layer and the hardened tape residue below. In that case, simply but carefully tear off the top layer. The old hardened glue, that's the tricky part. It has become this pain in the butt by simply being there for all those years. You want it gone in just a few minutes, but that is not that feasible. You have to take your time. The method I will show you is being done by using sewing machine oil, or short SMO. SMO is not corrosive and the surface does not react to the fluid. The goal is to soften the glue by letting it soak in oil. The curved surface makes that somewhat difficult. After a few weeks, the glue is, well, becoming more soft. Now we begin on the next stage, the removal. Nearly every contact with the top layer of the finish will result in scratches, especially visible with the black machines. The goal is to minimize those scratches. I want it to be as small as possible, so I don't rush things and think it through. First I use this piece of wood. Then I use my fingernails, gently rub it until the glue is gone. It can take some time. Correction, it will take some time. But if you are successful, you have a clean machine with little or nothing that reminds you of that awful tape. Good luck!